Today's recipe are gluten-free energy bars. Alright, we're going to start by melting some peanut butter over medium heat. Now I'm just using regular Kraft peanut butter. You could use an all-natural peanut butter. You could use crunchy. This is smooth. Then we're going to add some honey. Now you can substitute this with maple syrup if you like, or another sweetener. And we'll add some coconut oil. And we will heat this until it's all mixed together and melted. This really doesn't take much time at all. Then we'll set this aside. And in a large bowl, we're going to combine our quick oats, our craisins or raisins, some shredded coconut, some flax seed, some nuts. I'm using walnuts, but you can use any kind of nuts, and some pumpkin seeds, and a pinch of sea salt. Now really with this recipe you can add any ingredients you like or omit any of these ones. Now we'll add our melted peanut butter mix. And we're going to stir this all up and combine it together. Then we're going to place in a pan that I've lined with parchment paper, which will make it much easier to get these out of the pan. If you don't have parchment paper, I would suggest just spraying your pan to make it easier to get out. Then we're just going to press this into our pan. Until it's all even. And place this in a refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours, but best overnight. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.